Hey, thank you, say Wikino. Chibaba. Tikati Udi. Tsepete. Wow, ya my way land. Oh, my way land. Do not my way Indian. And oh, my way land. Hey. Wow.
So in basic terms, zvinobhadhara kuva kuZANU PF because you always get free buys. That is the reason why you see ZANU PF Varakashi, they don't want to leave their party. But not everybody is benefiting. This is the singer, top singer Wenje, and he got a vehicle from Sewik now. And if you are to argue with him to say we need to have a viable economy for musicians, he will never listen to you because already he is benefiting personally. He has benefited. He got a twin cab GD6, a car which he would have bought himself if the music industry was functional, if he was making his own money through music. But the problem is that you benefit today, but you leave nothing for your kids. You leave nothing to your legacy, because the moment you have a change of government, everything evaporates. So you must learn from people like Tambaoga and others who are now irrelevant. I don't know, guys, what you think about this whole issue. In the comment section, please, can we let us have a discussion. Munoti chine zvakaitwa naChivhayo.